Annyeong, this is Sunny, your Korean study buddy. Today we will break down 4 Korean drama titles together and learn basic expressions from them. In the last segment, you can practice memorizing all the words. If you are already in advanced level, you can skip to the last part. Without further ado, let's get started. The first drama is Squid Game. Its Korean title is 오징어 Game, which consists of 오징어, meaning squid, and game, meaning game. In Korea, 오징어 is a very popular ingredient, so it is worth remembering. You would find this word a lot on menus in Korean restaurants like 오징어 덮밥 or 오징어 순대. The second drama is Reborn Rich. Its Korean title is 재벌집 막내 아들. 재벌 is a noun that refers to a person or a family who owns a big company, such as Samsung. That's why the word 재벌 is often found in the news rather than in daily conversation. 집 is a noun that means house or family. In this instance, 집 refers to family. 막내 means the youngest of a certain group, and here it is referring to the youngest of the family. 아들 means son. The third drama is Guardian, the Lonely and Great God. Its Korean title is 도깨비. 도깨비 is a kind of traditional ghost. They look mostly like human beings, but they often have horns on their head and carry a magic bat. They have great power and they are rude and mean creatures. This word generally is found in fairy tales. Our last drama is Extraordinary Attorney Woo. Its Korean title is 이상한 변호사 우영우, which consists of 3 parts. 이상한 is an adjective meaning strange or unusual. In daily conversation, it has a negative nuance. 변호사 is a noun which means lawyer. 우영우 is the main character's name. Hooray, we learned all the drama's titles and expressions. Now it is time to recap and practice memorizing. First, the Korean words will appear, and then after 5 seconds, you can check the definition and pronunciation. Let's get started. 오징어 Game 재벌 집 막내 아들 도깨비 이상한 변호사 Congratulations on finishing the lesson and review section today. I hope to see you in the next video. 안녕!